Hi there, welcome back to Rick on Tesla, and this is my Lease to Invest test 2-year update. Got 1 year to go, and we'll see where we're up to now. I'm obviously aging a lot. I've grown this facial hair since, and it's not because I said I didn't want to shave until Tesla reached 200 again, but maybe I'll be shaving it off for the next one. We'll see. But I'm just enjoying not shaving at the moment, so let's have a look anyway at the Tesla share price and see what's been happening in the last 3 months. Last time I think we were around 178, and over that time it's obviously dipped down, and then we've had this mighty resurgence, which just looks like such a healthy growth trajectory. And at the time of recording, we are at 225. So that's really healthy, really happy with the way how things are going. Let's have a look at some of the history of the timeline to see what's been happening. And the answer, I think, is not too much, really. We've had some disappointing Tesla investor days without many major sort of announcements. We've not got the Model 2 or whatever it will be called when it eventually comes. But then we've sort of got the steady growth with deliveries doing really well, record quarters, a Q1 report failing to impress, shares dropping slightly after that, a couple of recalls, and then we've had this, which I think correlates to the resurgence in the stock market, particularly around tech companies involved with AI, as Tesla is. It's just great to see it doing a nice and steady growth rather than up and down. I'm sure it won't just carry on like this, but at the moment we're in the green finally, and 224. So have a look at the shares tracker. We can see now that it is 8,548 in terms of the profit and loss, and that's 30% the way to paying my 3-year lease. Obviously in the past we've been way beyond that and pay for the entire lease, but I'm happy with just being in the green at the moment, and we'll see what happens in the future. So if we have a look now at the spreadsheet, we can see that we are here. So 2 years in, and we've got another year to go. And yeah, the quarterly change is up 20%, and overall now we're positive almost at 12%, which is great. So here's the calculations here and the shares profit, and therefore that 30% lease contribution. So very happy with the way how things have gone in the last quarter. It really needed that. We were down at 110 at one point, which was pretty horrendous, and hopefully now we just see a steady build rather than completely erratic up and downs. But let's see, no one can predict what's going to happen in the future, but I'll have my fingers crossed that it just continues growing steadily. So if we extrapolate out these last quarters and see what happens to the share price after that in a year's time at 375, I think that would be very optimistic and pretty amazing if that could happen. That would give us an 86.8% return. It's not unthinkable, but as I say, at this point, I'm just happy to be in the green. So let's get rid of that, and we'll see what happens in the next 3 months, and I'll see you on the 8th of September. All right, cheers for now.